Hi, Kaden. He says no, I don't think so. Are you gonna get your first haircut? Are you gonna get a haircut? You are? Yeah, your hair. Yeah, hair. Oh, she's brushing it.
Are you gonna let me cut it?
Oh, you're gonna be so handsome.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, it's gonna be so handsome.
I was gonna say, would you like a bag for his hair by any chance? Would you like to save some?
A little bit of it, yeah, just a little.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, buddy.
So he might panic more with you holding his hands.
So good.
What a big boy. Hi, buddy. What's wrong? Mommy's right here. You sitting in Daddy's lap?
Are you okay? He's like, I don't know how to
You're a
feel
big
about
boy. What a big boy. Hi, honey. Oh, mister. Is Kaden getting his haircut? Oh, excuse you.
Look, he's in the mirror.
Oh, he's handsome. He's getting his haircut. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Daddy's gonna get his haircut.
Yeah, a lot more than you're going to be getting, buddy.
Here, look at mommy. Can you say cheese? Cheese. I got the camera.
Oh, no, really, it's okay. At least he's not like screaming and kicking and trying to beat me up.
It's like, just don't break out the clippers. I'll be okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna be so handsome. You're gonna look so good. You're gonna be hot stuff.
Did, Mom.
All the
Why do I need
ladies.
this haircut?
Yeah, your hair.
I see
You're
you.
silly. You're crazy.
You make you look nice, buddy.
Yeah, your hair.
Cash register. Okay, tell me how that length